What's up, y'all? I know you see the makeup, don't play with me. I actually filmed this video earlier and I was like, you know what, I'm actually gonna have time to film. I filmed it earlier because I thought I wasn't gonna have time, so I kind of did it in a rush, and I don't like that. So here we are. Oh, you see the candle is burning. Like, I'm about to, after I film this, I'm about to take all this off and just chill because it's been a long day. Literally, I told you guys I was filming a music video and I don't know how I'm still awake, honestly, but the footage is so cute. You guys are gonna get like the first little sneak peek. I had so much fun today. Was definitely like running on E. Like, I don't even know what's past E, but like literally I had a ball. Oh my god, hold on. Can you see? Like, this is me and the videographer. Hold on, let me play it again. This is me and the videographer shooting. It's literally been raining. It's so cold. It's like 50 degrees. So, oh, hello. So I've literally had a day and I went to sleep at like 3 a.m. because I was working. Like, it's just been a lot and I've been processing so much. But I want to say thank you to you for being here, and to say I'm so proud of you, because by doing this with me and showing up, you are establishing a new habit. You may not notice, but you are. You're saying, okay, I'm gonna take some time to unwind and to show myself love and to give myself grace and gratitude, and that's so important. And being so completely honest, first of all, shout out Ginger, I love you, girl. You commented, one of your comments on my video literally like sparked a fire in me. Literally sparked a fire in me, because I'd be like, oh, nobody's watching, nobody's listening, but it's like there are people that are watching and listening that are waiting for this video to come out, and I appreciate you guys, because one of her comments also said, one of Ginger's comments also said, you know, I wasn't really feeling the affirmations, but like they come, like even when I don't feel them, I say them and they help. And it's like, I be feeling that way too. I feel that way too, you know? Like, there are days where it's just like I'm in my head, or if the weather, I wake up and the weather doesn't look good, I'm like, ooh, no. Moving forward today in grace and love sounds like when the sun comes out, you know? But you can't always wait until that happens, and this is why I wanted to start this challenge like right now. Especially I wanted to bring it back because these are like the depression season months, okay? Like from October, if you live in a place where it gets really cold, from like October to like March, April, this is when your mental health can go like meow, because it's like after the summer and it's warm. And so this is my challenge for you and for me, to keep ourselves at a neutral level. You don't have to be too high every day or too low. And just filming this, I feel like I get energy because I know that someone is watching this and they need to hear it or to see it. And I also love how authentic it is to me. Like, I am filming this when I have the time in my day, but trust and believe the video is gonna get uploaded. If the video does not get uploaded, it's like I feel it in my heart, like, ouch. I'm trying to show up for me in these new ways because it builds more self-respect for me. So think about it for you. When you are coming and watching these videos and saying these things to yourself, it is building your self-respect. Even when you're like, I don't really feel it or whatever, like, it is building your self-respect, and that is the most important thing. That is like the first tier of self-love. We can do a facial, we can get a massage, oh, self-love, self-care, yada yada yada. That is, I love it, but it's BS. When it comes to self-love, it comes from self-respect. From you saying, I'm gonna do this, doing it, and then saying, wow, I did it. That is where that self-love really comes into place. Wow, my skin looks good. Y'all, I did that. This is like 8 in the morning, okay? 8 in the morning, and I like touched it up. I'm so proud of myself because it's giving glowy, dewy, not sweaty, because we shine, we glow, we glisten. But anyways, song of the day for today is, what have I been listening to? Song of the day for today. Song of the day is Carry On, because I've had to sing it all day long. The song of the day is Carry On. Let me show y'all because I don't want to take too long with editing this. So here we go. Go ahead and listen. Go ahead and listen. Yeah. You know who it is? Yeah. Okay, let me stop for YouTube tries to check that sound. But that's the song of the day. One thing that I want you to do for yourself is, since the weekend is here, what's one thing that you have been sleeping on that you said, oh, I'm gonna get to, and you keep doing all these other things on top of it? That one thing, say to yourself, within these next 3 days, when you watch one of these videos, if it's not today, one of these videos that you watch in these next 3 days, you're gonna get to it, at least in a tiny way, because that is going to help to build your self-respect. And not only are you going to trust yourself more, people are going to trust you more if you're doing the things, if you're about it. We only want the real ones on this side, let's be honest. We only want the real ones. But anyways, let's get into the affirmations because we're really running out of time. I've been a chatty Cathy. Okay, so today I want to speak on making space or making room for more. There's a lot of times that we can say, oh my God, I wish I had this, I wish I had this. And we wonder why we don't have it. I've been asking God, why I don't have this? Why I don't have this? And that is not me processing that I'm here for a reason. And I need to start making space and embodying what it would be like to have more. What it would be like to feel more. What would it be like to do more? And I feel like this is one of those weeks. I've definitely said this before. This is one of those weeks where I'm like, I'm doing more. And I can feel it. And it's also helping me make space, make room for more. If that makes sense. So let's dive into it. Ah! I'm like, ah! Okay. Breathe. Okay. I am so grateful for all of the things that I have in my life. I am blessed to be able to be safe, sound, and healthy. I do not take my daily blessings for granted. Each day, I am making room for more to enter my life. I am making room for abundance to enter my life in all ways. I welcome abundance in all forms, in the highest possibilities. And I extend gratitude for all that I have and all that I will have. I am not afraid to receive more. I embrace change for what it has to offer. I embrace each lesson with love, passion, and gentleness. I am so proud of myself. We're gonna say that one again, just in case it was hard. I am so proud of myself. I have accomplished so many things and still have more to go. Still have more to explore, achieve. And I am happy that I'm alive right now and get to experience more. I extend gratitude for every moment that I get to share. I trust that every time I ask, the answer will show up, no matter how and no matter when. My desires are my birthright. And I trust that my wishes will come to fruition. Every day, I find a nugget of wisdom that I can apply to my current situation. I am moving at the pace that feels best to me right now. Instead of questioning why, I say thank you. I say thank you for making sure that my time is special and significant to me. I say thank you because I know help is always on its way to me. That every prayer will be answered in due time, and especially when I need it most. There are so many things that I can learn from where I'm at right now, from who I am right now. And my future self is thanking me for laying the foundation. In all things that I do, I pour love, passion, compassion, and faith. I am focused inward on my faith so that I will be able to accept the blessings outward. I have so much faith in who I am and what I do that no one can move me. We gotta do that one again. That was powerful. You gotta give it to me. I have so much faith in who I am and what I do that no one can move me. I thank God that I live in this body of mine. I am grateful for all things. I am grateful to be alive right now. I love the life that I live. We're going to say that 3 times. I love the life that I live. I love the life that I live. And with everything I do, I make sure that I am filled. I make sure that I always have some left for me. I am a priority. I am considered. I am a powerhouse. I am more than capable. I am magnificent. I am light. I am loved wholly and unapologetically for who I am. And say that last one like you mean it, okay? I will be back with you guys tomorrow. I'm sending you love. Go forth and conquer this weekend, and please don't be like how I was the past few days. Prioritize rest. It is so essential. So you could be looking like this, okay? So you could be looking like this, okay? I'll see y'all on the flip. Bye.